Hey there, in this video we will talk about internal links. Internal links are one of the most important things that you can do as a part of your SEO optimization for your site. An internal link is simply a link that points to an internal page on your website. So for an example here in Wikipedia we can see that this hyperlink points to a page about hyperlink. And if we go back and have a look at this one, it points to a page about root directory, and so on and so forth. Now, you as the owner of the website would be able to edit these internal links to point to the relevant pages on your own site, and that's why they're called internal links. Remember, these are the links that you're creating on your own site. So what are the main reasons one would go about doing internal links, or why would they be important to search engines like Google? So first of all, internal links help navigate the website. So if I'm reading this sentence and I find an interesting concept, and if there's a page about that concept, I can simply click on and read in detail about that concept. The other thing internal links help establish is the visual hierarchy of the website. So for an example, the Wikipedia homepage would have talks and contributions and other relevant pages like contents, current events, random articles, which are sort of sitting at the top level of the website. And similarly, on a more regular website, you would have your courses, employers, contact as your top pages, followed by child pages. For an example, here you'd have your landing pages that convert, which falls under the part of the courses. So it's very important to ensure that you have a consistent internal linking strategy. But let's have a quick look at how you would go about creating an internal link. So for an example, if I am looking to create an internal link to the page courses, I would try and find text on this page that matches the word that I'm trying to target, and I'm going to link that. So if I edit this page here, and again, if you have any other CMS, the strategy remains the same, the execution remains the same. You would simply go to the content that you would want to internally link. So for an example, in this one, I'd like to create an internal link to the course page from this text. So I'd edit this text block, click on the word course, click on the link button, and simply find the page that I'm trying to link to. So in my case, it's courses. So once I've applied the internal link, I would save changes, update, and then go and view the page in the front end. Now, if I scroll to the part of the page, you can see that course is now internally linked to the courses page. And the reason this is critical is because it lets me not only go to the course page directly, but it also tells Google that course is a pretty important aspect of this website because it is found within the content. Now, the word that you use to link to a page, which this one, in this case, it's course, is the anchor text. And anchor text is a way of telling Google and other search engines that that's what the page is about. So if there's a page about pizza behind this link, then the anchor text would be pizza or pizzas or Italian pizza or any other variation that accurately indicates what this page is about. So what you would want to do is you want to create a really good internal linking strategy, 3 maybe up to 5 links a page. You can create relevant links on each individual pages. I could obviously go here and look for words that, for an example, I could look for words around courses and point it back to the course page. I could look for words around digital marketing. I could point it back to the home page. I could look for checklists and templates and have a page on my website about checklists and templates, and so on and so forth. So that's a little bit about internal linking strategy. In the advanced follow-up on this course, we'll go into depth about how to go about implementing a internal linking strategy that will have the most impact on the pages you want to rank. Remember, every time you link to a page, the page itself gets a little bit of link equity. So you want to have a lot of internal links to the pages that you want Google to surface to as the top of the search results. And once you've done that, you obviously want to submit your website to the Search Console for Google to be able to read and process the results.